How to recover a deleted text from your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover a deleted text from your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, tap on your Apple ID on the top. After you've done that, you will see the iCloud option. Tap on iCloud. And now you're on your iCloud. As you can see, my storage is full, but make sure that it is not the case for you. Now after you've done that, you will need to back up your iCloud. Now make sure that your iCloud is backed up to the latest. Just check the date and make sure that you have backed up your iCloud. After backing up your iCloud, head back to your settings again, and then you can scroll down till you find General, and after you're on your General, scroll down again all the way. There you'll find an option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Now if you tap on Continue, it will give you a final pop-up message with the Erase iPhone option. That is the confirmation. And after you tap on that, everything on your iPhone will get erased. After doing that, whenever you reset set up your new iPhone, that is your iPhone that you just reset, what you can do is you can back up your old stuff from your iCloud. Now after you back it up, all of your deleted text from your iPhone will also get recovered. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.